Yeah, these are dumb inside now. Right after the hog just finished chasing them. Hog just finished chasing the shit out of them. So now I'm inside the coop. Screamy pop. Straight coop I got it here. And this is the hog, the rest of the house coop. Looks like a lot of birds, but I lost a lot too. Yeah, caught the silver right here the other day. There's a blue around there too that's got caught. A blue checker right there. That big blue flight right there with those red and big blue right there. Red and white bands, but it's got a Dr. Sean band on. He must have sold as one of his. A little bit grip with them. I like it. Watch. Once they throw that, they all come off. Yeah. They'll start coming out when I put grit down. Every day, this is what I do. Yo, we plan to do a reality show. So niggas hear this, hit me up. We'll do a reality show with birds. See what's up, see how many niggas want to get down. People's gotta come to your roof, film a little bit. Don't worry, good people, white people. Not prejudice, just saying it. Those are the one who put us out there trying to make money with these birds, you know what I mean? Trying to put our birds on TV and show people what we do on the roof. It's all good games up here. Cause in the streets, it's nothing but trouble. In the roof, ain't no worries, you know what I mean? There ain't no worries up on the roof. You don't gotta worry about nobody shooting at you, coming at you. That's what kept me out the streets all my life, right here. This right here, this. Believe me, I've been a bad boy. Straight up best style, you know? Right here, that's what kept me out all the time. Like my son said, Mama never gave me nothing, and my papa never gave a damn. You know what it is? This is what we gotta do, man. A reality show with these birds right here. Look at these colors. Yeah. Ted Hood. Quiet, quickly. That's what it is. That's what it's all about. My brother Fred got the connect. Freddie flying birds up on the roof, or Freddie flying pigeons in Brooklyn, either one. We brothers. So that man got the connect right there with the bird show. You know what I mean? So we're gonna do this. Just chilling. Plenty time before I go to work every morning. Let out the birds, give them a chase, lock them up. Wait for the next partner to come up, do the same.